In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a transparent watermark in CapCut PC step by step, so you can add your brand name, logo, or channel mark without distracting from the video itself. This is a super useful editing trick if you want to protect your content, build your brand, and make your videos look more professional at the same time. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips and quick editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut PC and load the project you want to work on. Once your project is open, make sure your main video is already added to the timeline. This is important because your watermark needs to be placed on top of the footage, not before it. Now, if you want a text watermark, click on the text option in the left panel, then choose Add Text. This will let you type in your channel name, website, or any short branding phrase you want to use. If you already have a logo, you can also import a PNG file with a transparent background, which is a great option if you want a cleaner, more branded look. After that, enter your watermark text or add your logo to the timeline. Once it appears on the preview screen, position it exactly where you want it to show up in the video. Most creators place watermarks in the corner, such as the bottom right or top right, because that keeps them visible without blocking important content. You can click and drag the watermark into place, and if needed, resize it so it looks balanced with the rest of your video. Next, select the text or logo layer so the editing options appear on the right side. This is where the key part happens. In the right panel, find the opacity setting and reduce it until the watermark becomes semi-transparent. The goal is to make it visible enough that viewers can still read it, but subtle enough that it does not take over the screen. A good starting point is usually somewhere around 50 to 70% opacity, but you can adjust it depending on how bright your footage is and how bold your logo looks. If the watermark still feels too strong, lower the opacity a little more. If it becomes too faint, raise it slightly until it feels just right. Once the transparency looks good, adjust the size and duration of the watermark. You can stretch the text or logo clip on the timeline so it stays visible for the part of the video where you want it to appear. If you want the watermark to stay on screen for the entire video, make sure the clip length matches the full timeline. If you only want it during certain sections, shorten or move the clip accordingly. This gives you full control over when the watermark appears and disappears. After that, preview the video to make sure everything looks clean and professional. Watch for a few seconds to confirm that the watermark is subtle but still readable and that it does not cover faces, text, or important action in the frame. This is a great time to make any final tweaks to position, opacity, or size before exporting. And that's it. You've now learned how to make a transparent watermark in CapCut PC in just a few easy steps. It's a simple editing change, but it can make a big difference in how your videos look and how well your brand stands out. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next editing tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.